Let's see, what is the 10 encouraging signs of progress on your weight loss journey? We all know staying motivated is the key to success in a long-term health weight journey. As long as the number of the scale is dropping, you can tell your diet and exercise plan are working. But what other signs can let you know you are on the right path? Let's see the 10 signs you're losing weight. How can you tell that your health is steadily improving in your weight loss journey and progress? Here are some factors to indicate that you're moving in a good direction. So let's see. Number 1. You are not hungry all the time. If you are losing weight because you changed your diet, include more proteins and fewer carbs and fat, you may notice that you feel full faster. That's because the amino acids in a dietary protein send satisfaction signal to your brain, and that signal isn't sent by eating the same number of the calories in fat or carbs. Here's some good news for vegetarians and vegans. In 2013, study found the satisfaction signal is stronger with the vegetable proteins with the animal-derived proteins. Number 2. Your sense of well-being improves. Losing weight can lead to all-around improvement your psychological well-being. In 2013, study in people who were trying to lose weight reported that they feel more vitality, more self-control, less depression, and less anxiety than they felt before their weight loss. If you are not feeling them emotional benefits yet, don't give up. Study participants didn't report those improvements at the 6-month mark. The big psychological change showed up at 12-month interviews. Another important note, if you are losing weight, an intentional side effect of trauma, illness, or a big life change such as divorce or a job loss, you may be experiencing the same emotional upsurge. Number 3. Your clothes fit differently. You may notice that you don't have to jump to pull on jeans, even before you see a big difference of the scale, which can motivate you to keep doing what you are doing. Also in 2017, around 77% of women and 36% of men said they are motivated to lose weight, improving the way their clothes fit their bodies. Number 4. You are noticing some muscle definition. It can take some time, usually weeks or months, to build a strength and a muscle definition. How fast you change will depend on your body and the type of exercise you've incorporated into your plan. In 2019, study found that young women build more muscle mass in their legs when they perform more repetition of leg curls and presses with a lighter load than with a few reps and heavier load. If you want to keep building muscle as you lose weight, experts recommended that too, that you get enough protein and do resistance type of exercises. Number 5. Your body measurements are changing. A shrinking waist size is a good news for your overall health. Also, researchers tracked 430 people in a 2-year weight management program and noted that reduction in waist measurement was associated with the improved outcomes in blood pressure and blood sugar and cholesterol. And some other studies have drawn darker link between a waist circumference and your risk of cardiovascular disease. Whether it's not the scale says you are down. Losing waistband means a better heart health. Number 6. Your chronic pain improves. Weight loss can help decrease pain, especially in weight-bearing areas of your body, like the lower legs and the lower back. Also in 2017, people who lost at least 10% of their body weight noticed that greatest improvement in chronic pain around weight-bearing zones. And another research in 2017 also, losing 20% of body weight dramatically improved knee pain and inflammation, people with the arthritis. Number 7. You are going to a bathroom more or less frequently. Changing what you eat may affect your bowel movement patterns. Eliminating meat and adding more leafy green in a vegetable your diet can improve conceptions. Adding more animal protein to your diet, such as many paleo and keto diets, can make some people more prone to conception. If you are concerned about a difference in your bowel movement, if they are interfering with the productivity, it may be a good idea to talk with a nutrition or a healthcare provider about tweaking to your plan improving your gut health. Number 8. Your blood pressure is coming down. Being overweight can have negative effect on your blood pressure, making you vulnerable to a stroke and heart attack. One way to bring down your blood pressure is to lose weight with a healthier diet and more movement. If you are losing weight, you are reducing the strain of your heart and beginning to normalize your blood pressure. Number 9. You snore less. Snoring has a complicated relationship with the weight. Researchers have found that people, especially women, have a tendency to snore. In fact, snoring and sleep apnea may even cause weight gain. For that reason, weight loss is often one of the targeted therapies for people who snore and who have sleeping disorders. Number 10. Your mood improves. Making healthy changes to your eating habits can lead to a better mood and more energy. Also in 2016, researchers found that high glycemic, low diet consisting of cookies, potatoes, crackers, cakes, and bagels, which tend to cause spikes in blood sugar, lead to 38% more symptoms of depression and 26% more fatigue than a low glycemic low diet. So for the next video guys, I'm gonna talk about what is a healthy weight loss.